Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. I have another unboxing. This is a little bit different. Should be quick and easy to share, but let's get started. Yay! Alright, so as you may know, if you've been following along on my channel, I have been expanding my horizons in other craft areas. And I ordered something that's a cute little Halloween thing. I hope it's fun to unveil with you guys. But in August, I went into our local knitting store because my dad wanted to learn how to crochet. And I took him in there and I said, okay, let's see what they got. And they have this whole table of monsters. And I was hooked. So then I went and I'm like, I need to learn to crochet and I need to make a monster. And if you've watched my other video, you may have seen my cute little monster. But this is the monster that I made. And it's my second crochet project. So I did take 2 private lessons at Tempe Yarn, and then I took a basics class and a whole lot of YouTube videos, but I've got myself a monster. So now I'm kind of hooked on this whole crochet thing. If you are like me, you bounce from craft to craft to craft. My sister is an avid knitter. She knits amazing, gorgeous stuff. So every time I go to visit her, I end up buying gorgeous yarns. I have bins of gorgeous, gorgeous yarns, but I have realized I am truly not a knitter. I can knit and I don't mind knitting, but I don't find joy in knitting. So I was like, how do I use up all this yarn? I've thought of other things like punch needle and weaving, but I have to say, having done some crochet, I'm like, ooh, this is really fun. I like this. I understand how this works. And so I expect to see more and more crochet projects coming from me. Not designed, because I'm still just learning how the heck you do it. But anyway, so I made my little monster, and then I went from the monster into, first of all, I gotta show you my Firefly bag. This is a noodle head pattern. I made this at camp. I love it. It's so, so pretty. It's got metallic copper ties. It's got little metallic there. Yeah, I'm going off the script here. But what I ended up doing with this is turning it into my little crochet bag. So then I went from the monster, I bought 6 yards, or 6 yards. I bought 6 skeins of this gorgeous blue because I had the idea that I was going to knit a sweater. And it never happened. So then I found this pattern from this company called Expressions Fiber Arts. My hook got caught here. There we go. And I found this pattern, and I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. Let me see what I'm showing you here. It is going to be a wrap, and it's these kind of like daisy lace flowers. So this is my second crochet project. And hopefully I'll be able to show it to you someday all finished. Crocheting goes way faster than knitting, so hopefully it won't be that long. So that is where I went with that. So then, of course, you know, I don't need yarn because I just said I have a ton of yarn, but these stinkers over at Expressions Fiber Arts did a little Halloween packet, and I was like, oh God. So I thought I could use you guys as my excuse to buy this little packet. So let's unbox this here and see what we've got. This is the first thing I have purchased from her, short of the download pattern. But I do have to say, look at the cutest little packaging with the ghosts and the leaves all over it. At first I thought it was ghosts and carrots, but those are definitely leaves. We're going to go ahead and slice this open. This just came today, so I am just jumping in here and doing this quickie video because I want to see what's in it. Alright, and here we are. Make sure there's nothing else in here. There isn't. So you were supposed to get, they had all these Halloween colors, and you could pick as many as you want. They were $30 a skein. Again, it's a hand-dyed yarn. Oh, wait, did I open that wrong? So there's that. Oh, this is pretty. So this is the yarn. Vampire Bat. That is the color. So it is hand dyed, I believe. It has got metallic thread going through. We've got some turquoise and some purple and some gray. Mysterium collection, that's what this is. It's the Insiders Yarn Club. I did just do one because, again, I'm not sure how much knitting or not knitting, crocheting I will get to do. But this Crochet One Skein makes a delightful market bag. There's a pattern that they reference that you can go download, which is lovely, and it's from an independent designer on Ravelry, which, if you don't know what that is, it is an amazing website where independent designers can post their patterns, and some are free, some are purchased. There's community stuff. There's a lot of support for knitters, weavers, and crochet artists. So you definitely want to check that out if you do any of those things. I'll try to remember to put a link below. And then this is a coupon code. You can get 20% off any single yarn kit, so I can go back and save on my next one. This is, I'm going to need my glasses to read it, A Positive Twist on Yarn. So this is merino wool, nylon, alpaca, metallic. So it's a combo of all three. I got 275 yards. It tells you hook and needle. This is called Vampire Bat Sparkle DK Weight. So it is DK weight yarn, which is a nice yarn to crochet or knit with. Then the other thing you got in the package is her little hedgehog fall pin. There we go. Isn't that the cutest? So this is about what you would pay for a skein of yarn in a store. So I don't feel like I overpaid for this. And they threw in the cutest little hedgehog pin. So that's a quickie unboxing for you guys, and a little tour of where I'm going with crochet. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you're a crochet artist, or if you've heard of Expression Fiber Arts at all. I did sign up for their newsletters because every Friday they give away a pattern for free. It is only free on that day, and then later on you would have to purchase the pattern. I think it's kind of nice that they give you a chance to at least try to download it, but now I've got a whole bunch of free crochet patterns from them. They give you crochet or knit. They give you a choice. They're like, do you want the crochet or the knit pattern? So I hope that this company does well. I've enjoyed following them along, and I hope you have enjoyed following me along. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this quickie unboxing, and until next time, happy creating.